Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming model and current software version so you update correctly. Once done, make sure your smart card is in and power is stable. Intermittent power ruins updates. If you have internet, keep the router online. Otherwise, prepare a USB stick formatted FAT32 with at least 1 GB free. Now power cycle the decoder to clear temporary faults, navigate to menu setup software update, and choose the available source so the decoder can fetch the update. You continue by selecting the correct update source. If using internet, select download and allow the decoder to connect. If using USB, copy the official bin file to the root directory and do not rename it. Once you start, watch the percentage progress and estimated time. This phase can take several minutes. Make sure you do not press buttons or power off. Interrupting the process may brick the unit. If prompted, confirm installation and accept any automated reboots to complete file extraction and installation. You finish by letting the decoder reboot automatically. Once it returns, verify the software version in menu about to confirm the update. After that, run a channel rescan to restore any lost channels and confirm your smart card authorizes services. Make sure recordings and timers work. If the update fails or the box won't boot, try reloading the file via USB again or use safe mode if available. If problems persist, contact support before attempting a factory reset to avoid
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.